Today was full of revelations.
Wow, the power!
Mostly the fault of this guy.
Suzuki endorser, let's go! What have you done to me? Influencer.
Yeah.
Ninja moves, man. I didn't expect this moment at the start of the vlog. The
British shocked by a Filipino in Tagum City.
Oh, he's running away. The real Ikono one. Okay, the king of influencers, the king of motovloggers has invited me to a motovlogger influencer event of Suzuki. So, okay, this is an Ikono run. They're doing 150 kilometers, more than 70 of them, trying to get the best fuel economy. They advertise 130 kilometers per litre, which is pretty amazing. And mine does about 50 kilometers per litre, so I'm interested by this. Intrigued. Very intrigued. Oi, droners!
Let's meet all of the competitors and run much further than I'm conditioned for.
No, I've got to go all the way back! I think we should just shout. We should shout. Daot Sakalam. Suzuki! I don't know what we're saying. Whoa! You're the influencer, you know.
It's my first time covering one of these events, so I have no idea what I'm doing.
Oras na para magmotor.
Ah, that one. I'm vlogging you while you're vlogging me. Again, it's very awkward.
Today's event is not a race. These fuel-injected Suzuki Raider 150s are trying to get the best fuel economy of all by driving slowly.
94.4 kilometers, or Google Maps says 105 kilometers, so Google Maps is wrong. Taking a big loop around Capelong and Santo Thomas on the flat. This is the slowest I've ever seen a Raider go because they go very, very fast too. But that's to conserve energy, to conserve fuel because they're trying to get the best fuel economy. Very environmentally friendly.
Fast the last time. Baka they will get the better numbers.
Lechon.
There's a lechon, let's get lechon.
Yan ang goal, bro.
Yeah, lechon, huh?
Econo lechon. Run.
Influencer lechon. They're going so slow, I don't think that's going to be needed. I almost got the wrong one as well.
Most of this event passes through banana country.
Being overtaken by a tricycle. It's really slow.
After all, this is just a test to see what's possible, not of real-life driving conditions. Then for some reason, we started food tripping.
What are you doing?
Init eh.
Daot. Hoy sira.
Pwede na.
You know something? I've been past here hundreds and hundreds of times. I've never actually stopped here. Because normally I only balut after many, many beers. Balut! Balut! Balut!
Ikaw na balut. Eating.
Oh, we're going in this one. Who are we going? Okay, we're going to Jossi. Yeah. Sige, balot. Ay, 16 days, 18 days. Oh. There we go. Ay, Daot. Unsay kuan? Unsay mas lami?
Balot, 18 days.
18 days, sige.
Yes po, yeah, 18
Sige,
days.
18 days. Isa lang.
Isa lang. Ito, balot sa puti, 18 days. Ang dami po, oh. Tingnan nyo. Wow! Yan.
Init pa.
Mainit pa.
This is my first time eating balut sober in my life. I'm gonna do a boy pee thing. Six years ago, I ate my first balut. I never thought I'd do it again sober. Never ever thought I would. Oh.
And this was the best balut I've ever had. Honestly.
Okay, for free na daw, for free.
Ha? Joke ka? So, pila daw. Endorser.
Sponsored!
I like how you're all just eating here and I'm by myself in a different stand.
No, bro. That's what they call supporting everyone's business.
Supporting everyone's business, yeah. And I'm going to insist on paying somehow, but yeah, I'm going to... Hey, mango
Sponsored.
float.
Sponsored.
Hey, mango float. Yeah. Yes.
Sige, balik ko mango float.
Balit daw siya. Oh my God!
I'm insisting on paying. I want to pay. I'm awkward getting things for free. This is still hilarious. Now the most important part begins. Actually finding out how much fuel they used. The refill up to the same point. Who's got the best fuel efficiency? This is really interesting. Hey! Yeah. Oh! Well, I have a question since you're the influencer. Why is it called Gas Island, but it's not on an island? Oh, it's on Mindanao Island. But is the gas station an island?
That's my question also.
I think we need to find this out.
Let's Google or...
Google doesn't know.
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia also doesn't know. This is why I'm very, very confused. The island of gas.
It's not in an island.
So while the most important questions left unanswered, we're heading back to the beach.
You know the most important thing of all?
Ano?
Behind you.
What? The food.
So ayun, gusto ko muna i-congratulate
After a speech from the master, it was my turn.
Kay Lisa ng Tagalog. Ako, first time ko dito sa event na Suzuki. Nag-invite ko kay, for first time, ang original motovlogger. Mong first na biyahe, kami Manila, nagsakay o kuano, Suzuki everywhere. Suzuki hapon. Kika Manila, padulong diri sa Davao. Mga upat lang kaadlaw siguro. Upat lang. Grabe ka laugh trip ang kuwanang biyahe. So, karon, nako diri, nakita ko ang kuwan raider. Ingon ko, pwede naman, pero ang problema bugat ko. So, nakita po ko ang kuwan V-Strom 250, bagay sa bagay, no? So, testing ko buhon. My friend Jeremy Clarkson, or maybe James May. James May, they're all James May with less hair. James May with less hair, from Top Gear Philippines.
What's up, man?
What's up?
So how efficient are these raiders?
for number 1. Our first goes to Mr. Carl H. Diaz. With 98.91 kilometers per liter. Congratulations.
And at this stage, I was really excited for one thing.
I put these in the sun, and the sun has now moved. Oh, they're kind of drying out a bit. Good. That's why I'm dressed very casually today. I've been excited to try this ever since I first saw it. This really just looks cool, you know? And it's not big. It's not big, it's not tall, and it feels pretty light for a 250. Let's give it a go. Wow, this is cool. This is fun. Oh, sorry, Banana Beach, going on the grass. Oh, strong brakes. What I like here is this. Look, I can really grip there. This is good, bro. Let's go up again. I'm not quite used to riding standing up. Where am I going? Don't know where I'm going. And it's got plenty. Let's try it on the road. Wow, the power! Amazing! Grab me the power. That's so good! Wow, that's quick. I love this motorbike, eh? And it's stable. It's got a lot of stability. This is where with my... Wow, that's really stable to turn around to. I love this motorbike. It's this console, wow. Oh, it's the forest. Am I allowed here? I'm gonna test. Someone might shout at me, but oh well.
You know, some things in life just give you this contentment.
Straight through the mud. Wow. Yeah, no, man. Oh. Don't know what this is. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave before I get in trouble. Can I make that turn? No, I can't. So, how is it to pull up backwards? You see, I can just about do it. My feet touch the ground. This is fun, man.
Suzuki endorser, let's go! Kumander Suzuki. From now on, it's Kumander Suzuki.
That ABS, wow. That's awesome. Can I swap? Can I take this one back? This is awesome, man.
And eventually I was willing to let someone else try it.
Very intuitive as well. It's just... I'm too excited about a motorbike that I don't own. What have you done to me, influencer?
Yeah.
Boy, hiya, hi. Hiya, hi. You're gonna sleep. I'm gonna disappear. I've got a farm to take care of. So, see you next time.
See you next time, like, see you next week.
Next week?
Yeah.
Next week? Oh, next week.
what
No, next
is
week.
going
Oh.
back to Mindanao?
What odd gamers?
Yes.
Come via my farm.
O sige, basta tayo, Hilux Gaming ka.
Hilux Gaming.
Camping tayo.
Oh, Hilux Gaming tayo.
Car
Oh,
camping.
Ah, yan.
Yan.
Yan!
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 Ayan! Sige po!
Sige.
Bye-bye!
Camping, bye-bye!
Salamat, ingat!
Oo.
Bye-bye, bye-bye!
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
I need to get my stuff first off, it's all... There's my stuff, I'm running outside without anything. You know, this just doesn't feel the same after that. Still a great motorbike, but I enjoy seeing whatever, you know, I enjoy seeing other options available. Lily's new best friend dog actually needs taking care of a bit, so I'll have a look from here before I go back.
I'm making a turn into the light, the bright blue skies.
You know, it's good to try new things. It's good to learn more, to experience more, to experiment more, to seek knowledge, even to find out how fuel efficient a motorbike can be. It's good to do it, you know? It's good to try new things because that's the way you really, hello geese, you really learn more that way, and you really make things great, you know? You can either just middle along, do the same things, boring. It's going to be okay, it's going to be safe, but I'm not a fan of the safe option. I'm a fan of actually trying out new things, and yes, maybe you'll lose some, maybe you'll win some, but in the end, I think, on average, the world wins. That's how we get there. And that's the approach I'll be taking on the farm, is actually mostly tried and tested, because when other people have done that testing and experimenting for me, then I don't have to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to reinvent the wheel. There's a reason that saying exists, but in the same way, if we can do things better, we'll do them better, because every soil's unique, every place is unique, every set of conditions and every microclimate, especially microclimates, I notice a lot of them here, they're all unique. And my farm is just down there somewhere, but I'll go there tomorrow.
Oh, car.
Car?
Isa.
Motorbike! Uy, tuba! Wat na? Nahuwat na!
Awa na. Kabalo na may Bisaya din.
Oo.
No tuba for me. Gotta prepare something for the work tomorrow first.
Preparing a bit of fuel for the grass cutters tomorrow. 25 litres, mixed with tutti. I'm getting used to doing this. Gotta drive slower on the way back. Juan, dito lang, Del Monte. Tagbilang ko ang pusit.
150.
50 ko, 10 kilo. Ang tuna taki.
Sila? 210.
Si Master Chef.
Lukos na ta kay walay kubit. Lukos na ta kay walay kubit. Walay na taga.
Walay kwan, walay bird flu.
O walay kuwa. Mao nay gasol, gasulpot ang aso. Tuwad. Ibirahan.
Takang pako, ay. Asa ni gikan?
Ya, baligya tagis.
Uy.
Press ko na.
Speaking of Japanese motorbike manufacturers, this is also Japanese and in fact Japanese automotive technology in general. They had a word that I can't find out right now because there's lightning and all of the piece of Wi-Fi's are off, so I forgot the word. But they have this term where they do constant improvement, little thing at a time, little thing at a time, little thing at a time, and it's a mentality I subscribe to a lot. Don't make drastic changes, but slowly learn. So don't regret. Why would I regret? It's taught me a lot. Taught me a lot.
Adobo.
Tacloban. Tacloban City.
Takbuban. Para dali malutuin. Oh, ilaw.
Sige.
Ulam.
Mira, tamis siya.
Mana mix.
Okay ra kaayo. One, pimento siguro.
Sa pimento.
Itong black pepper.
Paminta. Wala, palita.
Ah, sige. Salt and pepper. Oh dear. Oh. Hello.
Yun eh.
Okay, one black pepper.
Ulo. Ay,
Ulo.
paminta.
Paminta, oo. Na powder.
Naa. Pila ka po?
Kuan, isa lang. Isa ka buwak kay kulang paminta sa kuan kat niluto. Kat adobo. Tama. Okay, I hope that's enough. Otherwise, I'm going to be going across the road and getting more. Butangi. Butangi. That's what is butangi for people who heard kids in Katiil shouting it at me for many, many years.
And the final product, delicious.
Nice soft drinks.
Mahal ra kayo ng soft drinks.